This video we will be removing the RAM from the machine. There are two sticks of RAM installed in this machine. They are located here and here. They could be in any one of these four slots. There may only be one stick of RAM, there might be two sticks of RAM, it does depend on the machine. To remove one stick of RAM, there are two little clips that hold the RAM into place, one at the front edge, one at the back edge. Push it away from the RAM here and push it away from the RAM here. It'll clip out and you can lift it out. If there's a second piece, you can then do the same with the second piece of RAM. Lift it out and that's it.